The International Criminal Court sentenced Thomas Lubanga to 14 years of imprisonment for using child soldiers in conflict. This was the first conviction of the International Criminal Court. The Rwanda Tribunal has issued 47 convictions over the past 2 decades. Sentences were on average shortly above 22 years. The Yugoslavia Tribunal has held proceedings against 151 accused. The average sentence was around 15 years. How can this be explained? International criminal courts and tribunals investigate and prosecute individuals accused of committing some of the most serious crimes of concern to the international community, such as genocide, crimes against humanity, and war crimes. If these crimes are called the most serious crimes of concern to all of us, aren't these sentences too lenient? How can punishment reflect the horrors and social harm it caused? Who is effectively held accountable for these crimes? The foot soldier, the military commander, or the political leader? And who decides on the guilt or innocence of this person? Welcome to International Law in Action, Part 2, Investigating and Prosecuting International Crimes. My name is Carsten Stahl. I'm a professor of International Criminal Law and Global Justice at Leiden University. In this course, I will introduce you to the how and the why of international criminal justice and the workings of the international criminal courts and tribunals. Many of these judicial institutions are based here in The Hague, the city of peace and justice, and home to our university campus. In these coming weeks, we will travel through some of the darkest times in human history. The Second World War, the conflicts in the former Yugoslavia and Rwanda, and more recent conflicts like the one in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. You will learn when a crime constitutes genocide, which is also called the crime of crimes. What conditions must be met before a crime can be called a crime against humanity? And what constitutes a war crime? The second focus of our inquiry is the legal process. Who will be tried for the crimes committed and why? Who are the main actors involved in the process? How is a case built? Which institution is best equipped to try the accused? We will then move on to the trial. The trial is to some extent like a classical drama. It involves different protagonists, the prosecutor, the judges, and the accused and his defense counsel. They all have different roles. We will cover their perspectives on international criminal justice. My colleague, Joseph Powderly, will tell you all about the judges. Another colleague, Sergei Vasilyev, will introduce you to an additional player, the victims. But no one is better equipped to teach you more about their work than the judge, the prosecutor, and defense counsel themselves. So we have a special treat for you. You have an opportunity to join us for interviews with ICC President Judge Silvia Fernandez de Gomendi, ICTY Prosecutor Serge Brammertz, and Defense Counsel Karim Khan. They will take you inside the world of international criminal justice. So I invite you to join us once again in the exploration of international law in action.